I know. Hi, Booby. Whose car is this?
But there's dirt on the leather.
I know. I gotta finish clean
back.
because I couldn't see last night. Whose car is this?
Amanda.
Amanda. And what Amanda do in the car? What did you do in the car yesterday? You threw up? You threw up?
Amanda,
Cheese.
You threw up cheese in the car, right?
No, she's saying cheese because you're taking a picture.
Oh, we taking a picture? That's Amanda's new car. It's 2 days old, and Amanda Christmas yesterday. Close it.
This one.
Booby,
Who's that one?
it's too hot in the car. You want to put the air conditioner? Mandy. Mitsubishi Galant. Very nice. Booby. Hi, Doody.
I come with flowers.
Yeah, that's my Caesar.
That's
Daddy make a lot of money with that, you know?
I get my Caesar.
Yeah, that's a Daddy Caesar.
That's my daddy's Caesar.
Uh-huh, look. And Daddy pay a lot of money.
I pay Adam.
Look at me, say it. Daddy pay a lot of money.
I pay Adam money.
Aye.
Cheese.
Cheese. Let me see the car inside. Let me see the car. Oh my God.
Ow! I lost that my yes.
Oh my God.
You know what you have to clean, babe?
What?
This, I don't know what this is.
Don't.
I don't know.
Tony, give your hands.
Tudy, look at me. Look at me.
Tony,
And there, on the,
give your hands.
why is this up?
Give your hands.
Be careful. No, watch your finger over there.
Okay. Hold it, pull. I hold you, you pull the door.
Did you put coffee fresh in there?
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah.
come on me.
Don't come on me.
You scared me.
I did.
You. Cheese.
What are you doing?
Cheese.
What are you doing?
Oh, you. I didn't look in the window and Nelly. I look
Oh.
Fasha. Fasha. Fasha.
I love you.
You got
Eddie, I love you.
Fasha.
Where?
Fasha at the window.
Where?
Fasha.
Fasha?
No Fasha.
Sasha.
No Fasha.
No Fasha. Sasha.
Fasha.
Sasha.
Fasha.
Sa.
Sasha.
Sasha. Dice sa.
Fasha.
No Fasha. Sasha.
Fasha.
Sa. Sasha.
No Fasha.
Afangula. I say Sasha.
Fasha.
Sasha.
Fasha.
I know. I'm gonna tell the guy that he gotta fix. He gotta. I see a lot of things that he gotta do.
Like what?
I show you.
No.
Look at that. How much he's sweating.
Let's go out.
Let's go out. Look at Daddy, how much he's sweating. Booby. Booby, look at Daddy. Look at Daddy, how much he's sweating. Look.
Look, Fasha in window.
Yeah?
Where?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, Sasha. I see you.
Okay, you do it.
Let me see. I see Sasha in the window.
Fasha over there.
Uh-huh, I saw.
You see him up there. See Fasha up there?
Come on, Booby, get out of the car. It's very hot.
Now, we gotta go in the yard. We gotta
Come on, let's go in the yard.
go on this side.
It's very hot. Come on.